Or if you turn on this computer here? Jamaican! What did that come button up on the computer? Oh my sweetheart son. You can't give your mommy a little more water? Hmm? You look a dirty stinking wretch. Why your teacher just call me and tell me say you not do your homework, eh? You want me to box it down, little boy? Oh, so damn disgusting. Me gonna work all day. And you couldn't even wash up the dirty plate them in the sink? Yes, Marva. The girl mouth did stink.
Mummy.
Yeah.
Mummy.
What on the Marva?
Me mother.
You listen me the part of more, eh? Go sit down. Sit down yourself. Yes, Marva. Yeah, me tell the girl so she need to move her dirty stinking. Double.
Hey! Hey! Wanna shut your mouth? Wanna come back there, sir? When we gone in the store, you better not touch nothing. Because you not get nothing. Hear? Oh.
Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. Oh, it's not. Hello, good evening. God bless.
Congratulations, you have won $1 million.
How many times I have to tell you no dirty, annoying, stinking people not call back my house, eh? Me not tell you that already. You know, sister, I'm busy. Chop. Mom, can I have this Ninja Turtle? You're not getting no damn Ninja Turtle. Put it down. Put it down. But what it? Which one on the long belly pitney in your mouth, me steam fish? Eh? Oh, that's so damn disgusting, man. Sure. What am I say the .com button?
Oh. Did you say fucking guy?
Yeah, what's wrong with that? Threesome, me and you and him.
You're a fucking slut.
Oh, well, go on, baby.